Okay, uh, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Live Signals with Precise Trader. Uh, Today, okay, just let me finish the slides. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose and use your information and entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker and make your independent decisions. And do take note that we are planning to improve the services. So we would want you to, I mean, if you want to get this daily market insight twice a day on WhatsApp and Telegram, okay, please send your number and your name to this number +659 444 233. So we'll be sending you the daily market insight on the market and regular markets updates. Then we have a weekly market outlook, which is every Monday. Okay, this is 1500 hours. Okay, so this is also we have just started, and we are doing live signals twice a day, which is 1600 hours and 2100 hours daily. And of course we have a follow-up means, all these follow-ups, I think you can check in our website, because it's all we all are very transparent, and what you look is what you see and what we trade, so you can look into this. Then we have a weekly twice news trading, and we have a once a month learning the system last Friday of the month. And we also provide workshop, which is also going to start soon, which is precise trader method once a month. This is first Saturday of the month at 2000 hours. Okay, so these are the services which we can look forward to. Okay, the key data that's going to be out tonight. Okay, I think we had a CHF CPI, which the data came out to be bad, which is negative 0.3, and that is one of the reason we see the dollar Swiss weakness. Okay, the dollar Swiss getting stronger. I mean, the Swiss weaker, but dollar Swiss strong. Okay, and tonight we are having from the US unemployment claims, final services PMI and ISM services PMI. Okay, this is also between 8:30, 9:45, and 10 p.m. or 2200 hours. We have also another session on the 2100 hours. Okay, so if you are uh, available, then you can come and see that, attend that session. Okay, we did a couple of trades today. In fact, this morning we did some. In fact, yesterday's. I think this was yesterday's call. Yesterday, I think we were trying to sell dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. I think we got stopped out. Okay, we got stopped out at 146.15. Then today we entered at 146.50. That was stopped out. Canadian yen was stopped out, and pound yen and euro yen we closed in the market. And scalping, we did the dollar cat. Okay, yesterday trade it carried, and only today we booked the profit. So overall, for scalping, I think so far we have made about 240 pips. um, Swing trading, there was a loss of 106. And momentum, okay, we did some momentum trades. Okay, this one we have taken momentum trades. So today we did, I think, about 220 pips, and right now this pound Swiss, I think, is also going to book profit. So once this book profit, then it should be about 40, about overall about 260 pips, which is 2.6%. Okay, which is today's, all these are today's trade. So with that, I think we'll get going on the new signals for the next next time back. Okay, so now we let me change the screen. Okay, so we have pound weakness. Okay, we have a pound weakness, which is let me see. Okay, pound weakness, euro dollar weakness, and dollar cat strength, and New Zealand weakness. So these are the four, and of course dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss also, we can go for a buy. So we have euro, pound, uh, dollar, Swiss, dollar cat, New Zealand. Okay, so these are the five crosses which we are going to focus. Okay, the next thing what we want to do is, okay, let's start off with euro. Okay, euro, in fact, it's showing weakness right now is 11033, and this is showing weakness on the, no, not yet, it's on the weekly, but not on the hourly. Okay, so let's see this cross. Okay, so now what we feel is, okay, we may see some more weakness coming in. Okay, let's see the PT zones. Okay, the PT zones is suggesting that 360 720 daily is all flat, and weekly is down, monthly is we have two forces on the selling, one on the buying, but it's on a weak buying and two strong selling force. Okay, overall daily, weekly, all are pointing down, so we should be looking to sell this cross. Okay, sell this cross, and uh, we can go for a extreme buy. Okay, we are trying to sell on the euro scalping at 11055. Okay, now it's 35, so we want to sell. Okay, let me see that level. Yeah, that is still good. Okay, that is still good, and we have one more. So what we are planning to do is, so this time we are planning to extend it. Okay, extend it to 21 hours. Okay, 5 plus 2, another 4 hours. Yeah, so 21 other hours. This one we change it. Then we have a sell at 80. Okay, 80. So this one we have until 23:30, so we may want to extend it to until 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock tomorrow. So these are the changes which we are planning to do on the euro. Then one more we can do buy on the extreme. So the extreme level is what we are looking for, is we need to get the boundary. Okay, we need to get the boundary. The previous week the market is trading below uh, previous week low. Okay, so I think we don't have any boundary here, meaning the current week low is 11025, which is lower than the previous week, and current month low and previous month low is 1100. So the most likely one is 1100. Okay, so I think we need to go for an extension of that level, because it doesn't look the market has a riff as if it has stopped. Okay, so the next level we can look for is, if 1100 breaks, then probably you should be looking for 10925 and 10925. Yeah, this is the level. Okay, let me change the chart, then see what is the boundary level. Okay, I told you we are looking for a boundary extension of this 1100. So most likely is 10925. 1925 and 10870. Yeah, 10870. So these are the two levels whereby we can expect the market to turn. Okay, if it's breaks that level, so 10920 and 10870. So we put in as extreme level order. Okay, so if you buy at 10920, then probably we got to exit before 1100. Okay, so if you buy at 870, then we got to exit before 940. Okay, so these are the two levels of barriers we'll see. Okay, on the other hand, stop loss will work on about 20 to 30 pips. Okay, so 920, 890, yeah, should be okay. Okay, I think we can give the signal. Okay, this is a extreme level. Okay, this is the extreme level buy, which is 10920 and 10985. Remember, we got to exit before 1100. Okay, and this is we work until tomorrow 7 a.m. That means 2 hours after the market open. Okay, by the way, I think we should be getting this daylight savings soon. So I'm not sure whether it's next week, we'll be getting, that means next week onwards will be like 1 hour delay, right? So we got to pay attention to that also. But this week I think we maintain. Okay, now the next call is, okay, we try to go for euro buy at 870, and this is until tomorrow night. Okay, then remember I told you it's 108940, and this one we will try to go 2 lots. The reason being is this is a high probability market turning point. So that is the reason why we are doing it. Okay, so these are the two trades which we see on the euro. Okay, now next we go into the pound. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, the pound we feel the daily is down. In fact, pound is weak, very weak today. Okay, it's already broke, and there is a lot of thing. Okay, it's already hit 13140. In fact, early on we did a couple of trades on pound, because once the break happened, we were doing a couple of trades which all made money, and which was we were in the right direction as well. Yeah, so now we got to look for a re-entry. Okay, re-entry meaning resistance at 31, let's see, 3180 and 3240. So if we are going with the direction of the market, okay, we should be looking to sell at 3180 or 32.40. So these are the two levels. Okay, let's see where we can sell. So we can sell at 360 SL1, okay, support left 1, and daily SL1, okay, daily SL1. So these are the two levels we are looking to sell. Okay, on the dashboard, okay, if you look into the dashboard, market open at 32.65, okay, or market open at 32.65, and right now this is all the forces are pointing down. So if we were to sell again, then probably 3190, 3210 is a good level to sell. But of course, we won't know whether we will be getting that price. So that is, we have to look into the chart and get a confirmation. So overall, if we look into this based on the dashboard, okay, it has broke all the levels, meaning previous week, previous month, and current month low is 13125. So we have a so-called a level that is getting near the support on the current month low, and previous month low is 130 figure, okay, 130 figure. So basically we can do two trades. One is extreme buy and trend following sell. Okay, so these are the two signals which we can trade. Okay, let me confirm with the chart. Okay, so the the right now the selling force is still there, and expected the selling force to be expected to reach another 45 minutes. That means, we still expect some more selling force to come in. So there is a support. Okay, there is a support at 131 figure. Okay, 131 figure. So probably we may want to buy a quick buy, and then selling. We see whether we can sell. Let me see. Extension of this level, so which is 3175, 3190. Okay, so these are the two selling levels which we are looking for. Okay, so let me check on the dashboard. Okay, so I think okay, so we are going to give you a counter trend which is pound buying at 131 and 131.45. Just not a big profit, but it's only about 45 pips. And this one, the expiry is it should be 5 o'clock. The time belt is over. So most likely about half an hour. That means 5:30 or 17:30 we go for a buy. The next level is, of course, the selling level 3180 and we can have one more extreme buy. At 130 and 130.80. Okay, so this is until 7 a.m. tomorrow. Okay, so the next we want to see a sell which would be, okay, the stop loss is 85 and the sell would be about 60. Okay, so this would be another trade on the pound. One 131.60 and 131.05. Okay, this one, the expiry we want to give until 5 plus 2 hours, so it's about 19. Okay, so this would be the next signal. That means one trade we are trying to go with the direction of the trend, then one trade we are trying to buy at the extreme. So this extreme, this level also, if we can get it, of course, this sometimes this kind of trades will get filled while we are sleeping or when we are not looking into the market, and that's why we always try to put in the stop loss. Okay, stop loss, so at least stop loss and TP, so even though while you are sleeping the market is working its way and we should be able to get it. Okay, so the next I think the pound Swiss book profit. Okay, let me see. Yeah, okay, this one I think we just have book profit, so this is done. Okay, so now what we can do is we can do a few pound crosses, because the reason being is because it's already moved, so we'll try to do the pound crosses. Okay, let me change that screen. Okay, now we have a pound yen which has dropped from the high at 195.20 to about 270 pips. Okay, pound Swiss dropped about 110 pips. Pound Aussie is about 200 pips. Pound CAD is about 200 pips. Pound New Zealand is about 200. Okay, I think all about 200. So we will try to do pound yen, pound Aussie, and pound CAD or pound Swiss. Okay, so pound yen. Okay, right now let's do our work. So right now you see that the pound yen, the low is 92.30 and the low is above previous day low and previous week low and current week low. Okay, all this above. So I think there might be a buying opportunity on this. So where can we buy? So is now is 92.45. Okay, 91, we need to get the boundary level. So the boundary level would be 90.40. This is quite further apart. So we will use the benchmark level as guidance. So the benchmark level we can use as 91.40. So 91.40, 191.40, anywhere above 191.40 or 92.10. Okay, 92.10 also we have a support. So that should be a buying level, okay, for this. Okay, let me look into the chart. Okay, okay, 191.95 and 191.45 are the key levels to watch on the 360. So if we were to take extension of this, which is 191.20, okay, 91.20 or 91.50, okay, 91.20 and 91.50, okay. So let's see. Okay, 15 minutes is oversold. Okay, so and if we buy, we got to exit before 92 92.80. Okay, 92.80. So we will try to buy at 92. We still have another half an hour left. Okay, another half an hour left, and we should be getting a base soon. Okay, so we will go for a buy at 92.25 and 91.90 as the stop, then TP at 92.70. Okay, 70. So 20, 45, about 45 pips. Okay, so let me give you the signal for this. Okay, this one is a scalping trade, and this is a counter trend trade. Okay, take note that this is a counter trend. $192 to 825, 191.95 and 192.70. Okay, 192.70. Okay, so this is expiry until 7. 7 means 19 hours. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so this would be your scalping trade. Okay, now we are trying to sell, that means go with the flow. Okay, the selling level would be 92, 95 or 93.20. Okay, 92, 95 or 93.20. Okay, we can do as 93 as well. Okay, 93 as well. Okay, uh, 93. Okay, 93, 93, 93.30 and 92.40. Okay, okay, so that one we can go for a day trading. Okay, day trading. This would be pound yen selling at 193, stop at 30 and buy at 192.30. Okay, so this is until 23.30. Okay, so now the next thing is we can go for a extreme buy. Okay, that would be 91. I think early on we saw 91.35 if I'm not mistaken. Just double check. 91.05. Okay, 91.05. 91.05. Okay, I'm not sure whether they can reach that level. Yeah, okay, never mind. Okay, we put in this as an extreme buy at 191.05. Okay, and this is TP should be 55. Yeah, 55, and this is expiry until tomorrow morning. Okay, okay, so pound yen is done. Okay, I think we have a selling order, we have a limit buy, and we have an extreme buy. Extreme buy, which is one, you know. Okay, I think this one the entry. Sorry about that. Okay, let me give the signal again. I think this one is. I won't be able to key in this level. Okay, until tomorrow morning. Okay, so pound yen is done. Okay, next we try to look at pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. Right now the market is trading 91.60. Okay, and current day low is 191.35, and this is also a current week low, and current month low. Okay, we have all the levels. So that means once this 191.35 breaks, then this market is going to be in an extension of that 191.35. So let's see what is this look. Okay, the next boundary level would be 189.10. Okay, 189.10. That means I should be buying near that level. Okay, so the next level of extension we can see 190. Okay, let me see. I'm not able to get that figure. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to buy because this is extremely oversold now. We should be getting a minor pullback towards 191.80. Okay, so we will try to buy at 191. We only have another 23 minutes, so we'll buy at 91.25. Okay, 191.25. Okay, and should be able to give the signals here. Okay, we are going to buy pound Aussie and this is a counter trend. And 191.75. This is until 19. Okay, 5 o'clock, 5, 6, 6:30. Okay, we'll put it until 18:30. So this is for pound Aus. Okay, next we would want to do two trades for this. One is going in the direction of the trade, then another one is extreme trade. So the direction of the trade, we can go for a sell at 192.20. Okay, we see resistance at 192.10. Okay, 192.10 and 192.30. 192.30. 192.30. Okay, 192.30. 192.30. Okay, so we go for a sell $192, maybe we'll put as 25 and 191.35. Okay, this is until tonight 11:30. Okay, then we will try to go for a extreme trade, okay, which is also pound Aussie to, and this is 190, just put it a round figure. Okay, this is until tomorrow 7 a.m. Okay, so do take note. See, we can go on like that. Okay, if you are really, you guys are really serious in trading, and if you are really showing commitment, and and you need to have this consistency, so we can go on like this. I mean, I can generate as much as even about I would say even 50 to 100 signals, and most of the signals are high probability trade setup, and of course these signals, if you can just key in and you can just key in with the expiry, everything, you just let your money work. So the chances are this, of course, you can ask, how sure, how guarantee is this, so we are in trading. Okay, whatever the signals we key in, like what we are keying in here, we also key into our system, meaning, we also trade. So we will also know whether the order is filled, not filled. Sometimes because of the spread difference, within brokerages, you may get sometimes, like one side of your order get filled, another side any order is not filled, so you got to be like very careful and monitor whether you see this thing is happening. Okay, any questions, anything, because we can give more trades, but I don't want to uh, give, and eventually you all are not following, or you're not keying in. Okay, okay, any questions or any markets you all want to discuss before we knock off and see you again at 2100 hours? Okay, so if you have no questions, then hope to see you again at 2100 hours. And for those of you who have not got this thing right, then you may want to just play back the system and watch for yourself. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, and hope to see you again in the evening. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.